Okay, so you've basically seen this back half. We're going to actually take you over to the stone area. We're probably not going to talk as much because it is a working warehouse and they're answering phones and trying to fill orders from people that order from bigger companies. So we're going to kind of just give you a quick tour with the phone, kind of show you some of the stones that we bought. Anything we like zoom in on close would be a style of stone that we bought, but our stones are actually not on the shelf. They're actually already being packaged for us. So let's go ahead and take that tour over there.
Okay, this is where we kind of started going through some of the different stones. They have all sorts of different kinds of stones. Stones I never even knew existed. Every time we come here it's different. I think we got some stones like that there. You buy by the kilo. So usually there's about 10 stones in a bag, sometimes between 7 and 10. Pretty little heart. That's a ruby fuchsite. Now what we didn't realize is on these stones, when you shine a black light, you can kind of tell a little bit. Shine a black light, you'll see little red flecks of ruby in there, which is kind of neat. I didn't realize that. So we're gonna have to start taking a black light flashlight through it more times than we come. We did get some of these amethyst here. We cleared out a little section there. Polished amethyst. I think these stones are pretty. It just keeps going. It goes to way back there. Just stone after stone after stone. All different kinds. Kind of egg looking thing. Pyramid. Got the deer tree. Tigerberry, I think. Tiger stone. Nope. Or faceted. So these items here. These are $40 a kilo, closed out. Chrysocolla. So it's gonna run you. That almost looks like a brain, doesn't it? Beautiful displays. All kinds of stuff. There's a big heart for you. This is was it a citrine Drew's heart? $110 a kilo. That's gonna be some money, friend. Just beautiful. I'll keep walking down here a little quicker. Sorry if I'm walking too quickly. Trying to keep out of people's way. I think we got some of these rainbow Drews. They have a nice little stand that goes with them. Spin it on you here. These are just their closeout. If it's closeout, this is the price, 22 kilo. $22 a kilo. So that's probably a $10 egg. Stone egg or so. Okay. Look at all the stuffs. These are pretty over here. I think we got a few of these. We like to look at this. The blue, this is here, blue apatite, freeform. I think we got some of these over here too. We like the color of this, carnelian. Just beautiful stones. And a lot of them are out of our price range, but they're pretty. Pretty. Got a few of those down there. Calcite. I love these. And it just keeps going like this. Aisle after aisle after aisle. You can see across there. Beautiful. Heather's right now trying to set up an online account so we can order online. It takes so long to walk through here. We'll probably still come on occasion, but we haven't been here in probably 8 months. And we always love it when we come here. Feel like you get a good deal. Feel like you guys get a good deal. I think we got a couple of these here. But it's about an hour and a half away. And we about max out our little vehicle. Show you over here they have boxes and boxes of wind chimes and figurines. Just a ton of stuff. Here's a wolf lamp. That looks cool. It is $73 though, so I don't know if we could resell that. You know, they can probably get $73. But I don't know if we could. Somebody might. Comment below. And then we have the Amethyst Cathedral. I think we took a picture of Heather by these. These are beautiful. That guy there's $754. That guy there's $790. I don't know how much that big guy over there is. Beautiful though. You look great. This is $1,584. Really pretty though. Love them. They look great. All right, I'm gonna go find Heather.
This is a $5,000 pot. We will not be buying this today, but hopefully you enjoyed the tour, and there's just a lot of fun things at this particular location, and we got a lot of things for you, and so you'll see those in the future. There's a teepee over there and a buffalo.
TP, buffalo,
yes,
horses. This is an amazing place.
Yes, it's really, really cool. And so we wanted to just kind of give you a glimpse of some of the things that will be upcoming and you'll be seeing in the future on Hooked on Pickin, on mostly the live sales, I think. But we are going to be purchasing. We finally got set up for an online account, so we'll be purchasing some things that we'll be able to put on some of the jewelry sections of hookedonpickin.com, so be on the lookout for that in the very near future. Thanks so much for joining us on this fun adventure, and of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.